Yes. Now I will tell you the terms on the motion top of the array section. The terms here determine the behavior and behavior of the puppet we have chosen in practice. It helps. Let me show you an example. I will show you how our puppet works. Even when the space key is pressed, select the 10-step go command to take to end step. Select 15 degrees right and left down. As you can see, it moves when we press the space key. Let's examine the wave loop. Use of wave loop functions such as self-expression makes. As you can see here, we made him say hello the second use. Now to serialize, let's see the voice tab in the section. That determines which tab will be used. With an example, I will show you. Yes, as you can see, the puppet has met any sound. Various section. I will describe the title under the pen text. When you say please, the lights of the text typed with a pen on the screen. When you say literate, it pastes its own image on the screen at the current position of the character. Can press the screen with the pen in the direction the character is moving. Remove pen when without the character to print. The pen remains on the screen. To draw something continues if the desired thing drawn. Click on the Remove Pen heading. Make the color of the titles is changing according the color wall of the title. Increase pen color by 10. The pen color changes to the desired wall when this flag is run. Make pen color 0. The pen color is changed to the desired. Increase pen tone. The pen tone is changed to the desired wall. Sudden pen tone is 0 to 100. It turns dark from 100 to 200. Make pen tone 15. Make pen tone the right wall. If you want to increase the thickness of a pencil, 1. We can increase the thickness of a pencil 1. The thickness of the pencil is said to make. I can make the thickness in the shade dice. In the discuss tab, how many of our puppets have and they play with the costume I want. We can do it. What can you do with the data block? 1. With this command, we create a new variable. 2. Variable data called points generated. 3. Select the desired wall from the existing variables. 4. The existing variables can be increased or decreased by selecting the desired wall. 5. Displace the desired variable from the exciting variables on the screen. 6. The desired variable from the exciting variables on the screen hides. 7. This command might have been disabled for your channel, and in that case you need to use the 8. Contains list information named class. When the box is checked, the list content appears on the screen. 9. Adds the desired value to the selected list. What can we do with the event block? Execute the set of code that is sorted under this block when it clicks the green flag in the project. Press the selected key where the space key is selected and the code is sorted under the block. Run the set. 3. Execute the code set that is sorted under this block when the character is clicked. 4. When the screen decor is selected, here it executes the code set sorted under this block. 5. When the volume is higher than the specified number, the set of subcodes that are listed under this block, it runs. 6. After the end command, the code set at the bottom of this block runs. 7. With this block, you have created a new block to run the command sets by typing new news. Will. When this block is executed, the other commands in the block are executed after the end command, while continuing the concept for this end command all begins to work. 8. If there is a set of code below this block following the end command, the code for this end command will be if the cluster waits without running. It continues to run itself after the end of it.
Together, it is examine the direction block. We incorrect from the event block before moving the direction block. Let's use the command. Repeat the control blocks 10 times. We use the commands. Is the direction blocks and the J is the commands. Was it worth the most out of the direction block? We have seen the command, was it worth the code? Let's put instead the command by change into something else. If it was worth 2 seconds to form the V blocks at hello. By joins he comments hello as code is described. Let's change it to it. Select to go 10 steps. Comes from the transaction block. Let's try. As you can see, I'm catch when is the touches at edge. Let's go back to Selection blocks, event, click, check, repeat 10 times and if delayed choose the comment. Was with colors the selection blocks? The comment and the what is your name question. Let's trace the residence. Is it color black by the links, the question comment? Let's write the response, just killing small square next to answer comments and to change the color of on time. After changing the color or sizing or puppet, we change onto time from the motion block. Let's choose the go steps by comment. Was it worth white color? Click on the white and click on the black. Let's get started. Was it worth the blacks? Yes. Best answer, yes. Or put the accent according to your next box. The selection blocks used to briefing change to something. The selection block used to briefing to check something. Let's examine block operators together. Events, control, repeat 10 times, 2 seconds, the from black, the from hello. By selection comment if not, if cause the comment and inside the hello, well, this ROM is do not allowed to be under 18. Selection the last school from the and select the question comment. How old are you as a question? Let's write time process. Second to comment is the large time blocks. On site answer to order the 19. Let's write the type 18 years old. So you can enter again from the black hello. It speech second twice. If the response greater than 19, welcome. You can't come if you're 19. And let's get started. This ROM is not allowed to be under 18. How old are you? 20. Welcome. Special stones allow you create entry. Number input, verbal input, logging input, tag entry to a selection entry you passed, you can't create. Let's make it the exam 18. Add an extension where you there you see. When you select one two things to say aux. It gives you comments and these comments you can say out. Select the question mark about you click Stone give you information about. Those special games are briefly used to create the script or your own tiles.